Hey friends! Good evening. We're out here tonight at Mickey's Not So Scary. As you can probably see, we're dressed a little bit differently because, well, adventure is out there. We come out to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party here at the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World just to experience some of the Halloween offerings and see what is happening. So we're going to do a lot of trick-or-treating, we're going to meet some really cool characters and ride some rides as well, because this is our first day in the parks. We do want to get on a couple of rides, so I'm, if you can't tell, dressed as a Wilderness Explorer. Got my grape soda badge from Ellie. Ellie has done a good job in getting our costumes together, and I think we look like proper Wilderness Explorers here. So we're going to go inside. This is a hard ticketed event, so we can't get inside without a ticket. We also actually just can't get in just yet until 4 PM, until midnight then. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So if you guys do enjoy the video throughout, give us a thumbs up. Do appreciate it. It really does help us out a lot. And it'd be great if you could hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, to be notified when we post all new videos. Adventure is out there. So we're here a little bit early. As I said, 4 PM is the time you can get in. It is now 3 PM, but we've got a little bit of a queue building here on the right hand side of Magic Kingdom ticketing entrances. So we will get in that queue now. So just over here, they'll check our tickets, make sure that we have access to the party, and then we'll get our wristband to get in as well. So we have to get our wristband first, a little fabric wristband that will go on, and then we pick a park map. Here we go, we are in. So the Magic Kingdom will close promptly at 6 PM because of the party tonight. So we're in at 4. We've got our wristband, and we were just told this is like a self-tightening wristband. We'll grab ourselves a couple of maps. Got ourselves a map. So the Magic Kingdom is obviously all dressed up for the Halloween season. Jack and Sally are meeting from 4 PM in Town Square Theatre. It's currently a 120-minute wait, and the party has been open for 1 minute officially. So, if you're a party guest, you've got to go right through the cut-through. They're passing us this way. So we're in the first trick-or-treat trail at this point. We've got the Halloween statues out. We've got Musketeer Donald, Musketeer Pluto, Princess Minnie, Jester Goofy, and we're about to get our first bag. Right, well, we're about to get our bag and then our first treat.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So the bag, happy Halloween, trick or treat, let's boo this. And we're going to get our first treat.
Happy Halloween! Thank you!
Thank you. So for the first treat, we've got a full-size bag of fudge brown.
You're going to get a lot of peanut butter ones. I'll just take those 2 for now.
Wow. So you've got a trick-or-treat trail at Tomorrowland Terrace Restaurant. You've got a little photo opportunity here. Sleepy Hollow photo opportunity. So we're making our way. We've got a couple of treats already. We're going to go up to Storybook Circus and try and meet the 7 dwarves, because it's going to be a long wait later. Thank you. We're getting a lot of compliments tonight. Also, look at this. I love, funnily enough, that it's still here after Pride Month. It's amazing. The statues are still here as well, 50th statues. It's great. Cool. My wristband just went as well. So if you are in the Magic Kingdom early for the day, rather than getting your wristband at the entrance, you can actually come inside and get it from one of these wristband distribution spots. You've got one here in Tomorrowland. I think you've got one over at Town Hall as well. I think there's 3 in total. I don't know where they all are. So the Seven Dwarfs meet and greet is over at Storybook Circus. So that's where we're heading now. We've got 3 hours until the party starts, and there's not a lot that you can do beforehand. Just kind of like, you can do rides basically. That's what it is. And get yourself ready. You can meet Jack and Sally, but there's really not much else to do. So we are in Storybook Circus at the moment, and we are just going to the back over here because this is, I think, where the meet and greets are. I'm pretty sure Goofy, Donald, Minnie. I'm really hoping that this is the right way. We've gone the right way because it's quite a long walk to get back here if we've not gone the right way. We've got some Halloween treats out. Pumpkin, Rice Krispie Square, pumpkin cupcake, Mickey Pumpkin, Minnie witch thing. So as it turns out, Seven Dwarfs I thought were out at 4. Sometimes they are, I think, because I have read that they've been out at 4, but they're out at 6:15 today. So we can't go there just yet. I think we might go on a couple of rides, maybe Little Mermaid, Ariel's Undersea Adventure. Because we like that ride, it's quiet, it's slow, it's, you know, relaxing for a bit. Currently posted at a 5-minute wait, so that I consider to be a walk-on. 45 for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, 13 minutes for Haunted Mansion, 20 minutes for Jungle Cruise, 5 minutes for Pirates. Like, it's really quite quiet at the moment. So first ride of the day is going to be Under the Sea, Journey of the Little Mermaid. So here we got the map for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, and you've got the key down here. So Trick or Treat location is the little candy, character is the bat, and we've got allergy friendly center, photo pass locations, and step in photo frames. So we've got a character down here, we've got a character here, so that will be Jack and Sally and Mickey in his Halloween costume. You're going to have Stitch here. I think you're going to have Seven Dwarfs are going to be up here in Storybook Circus. I'm not sure here who you're going to have. Ariel maybe here. Anywho, you got a bunch of stuff. You've got treat trails, allergy friendly trail, and the treat trails dotted all around the park. And then you've got the parade route from next to Tiana's Bayou Adventure, formerly Splash Mountain. It's going to come through and go all the way down Main Street. Okay, so for entertainment, we've got Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular, sorry. And that's on the Castle forecourt stage. August and September dates, so we're in a September date. It's on 8:35, 10:45 and 12 midnight. So actually then you could do the Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular as like your last thing on going out the park.
What time are the fireworks? 10:15?
10:15. You've got the Boo to You parade twice per night, 9:15 and 11:15. That's what we were just showing you, the parade route. And then you've got Mickey's Not So Spooky Spectacular in the skies above Cinderella Castle at 10:15. So that's just one time per night. You've got the Cadaver Dan's Barbershop Quartet that happen in Frontierland. You've got Rusty Cutlass, which is a pirate band performing swashbuckling songs throughout the night. You've got the Disney Junior Jam in Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe, and then you've got the Zom Beats Bash, which is in Rocket Tower Plaza stage, 7 PM till 12 AM. The Disney Junior Jam is 7 AM till 12 PM as well. So you've quite a lot, and then you've got some limited edition food dotted around the park. We've got some step-in photo locations, one there, and one there. So we'll have a look at some of the exclusive merchandise for Mickey's Not So Scary 2023. We've got the Sanderson Sisters t-shirt here, $40. We got the ears, which are, I don't know, I guess they're 30, I'm going to say. You've got the pin, 18. Corksicle mug, $40. We've got the Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular spirit jersey, which glows in the dark as well. And that's $80. We've got a children's t-shirt which is $27. You've got the normal spirit jersey. That's also going to be $80. That's quite cool, I like that one. Dated as well, so you buy one each year. Halloween party mug is $17. $20 for this Not So Scary Halloween party ornament. And then this is the one we just saw actually. So that's all of the exclusive merch. You have got another headband here, and that is not priced up. Great. We've got the cinnamon roll Halloween version. So in the Main Street Bakery Starbucks, we've got this pumpkin cheesecake. So this is supposed to be released for the party, I think, but we've managed to get it just slightly beforehand at 6 o'clock, as the park's kind of closed now at this point, I guess. They've said, yeah, we'll let you have it. And we've gone for a pumpkin cream cold brew and a mocha as well. $17.97 for everything. So we've got our pumpkin cold brew. First pumpkin of the season, thankfully. Amazing. Simply amazing. So one thing you can do, at the moment, all of the Tron Lightcycle Run things are virtual queues. There's one at 7 a.m. for day guests. There's one at 1 p.m. for people in the park. The 7 a.m. one is for wherever. And then when there's a party, there's one at 6 p.m. Just quickly. Disney ducks. Disney ducks. So if you are going to the party, you have one at 6 p.m. you can get. So confirm your boarding group just beforehand, and then at 6 p.m. refresh, get your return time, and then you can go and ride the queue. You can go and ride the ride, basically. So we managed to get a boarding group. We're group 155, and we've been called already, like straight away. It was within like 5 minutes of doing it, we got called. So we're heading now into the grid. We're going to go and experience Tron Lightcycle Run for the first time ever. Very excited for this. 5 years in the making here at Magic Kingdom. Finally, it's open. So another thing that happens, because the Magic Kingdom closes at 6 p.m. and the party kind of officially starts at 7. If you haven't got a wristband at that point, you're not allowed on any rides, you're not really allowed to do anything. So what they do is they kind of create like lines of cast members that gently nudge you out of the park, and basically you'll know that you're not allowed to go on anything, because if you haven't got a wristband, you won't be allowed past. Here we are, we're going on Tron Lightcycle Run.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to games.
My magic bat's going on.
Initiate in 3, 2. First energy gate captured. Energy gate. 3. Congratulations, Caesars. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
So we just finished on Tron Lightcycle Run. Give our thoughts on it in just a second, but we're coming underneath and we're gonna get ourselves some treats. Trick or treat. Ooh, it's all going everywhere. We've never been in here at all, have we? We've never been in here at all. Thank you. Oh. So said we were gonna let you guys know what we thought of Tron, and here we go. Basically, not worth it.
Well, it wasn't not worth it because we didn't wait.
Yeah, that's true. Because we got the boarding group.
If you were like doing something else or like coming specifically to the park to do that, then not worth it.
Yeah, don't wait for Tron if that's what you're here for.
Yeah.
Just don't get like super excited about it. It's not Guardians. Put it that way. It's really not Guardians. And right, it is incredibly inaccessible as well, because there's like a whole queue of people that aren't even like, you know, they're not big people. It's like it's the calves. It's the calves. People are struggling because there's a bar that goes between, like, to the back of your knee. And
there's also like a thing that goes on your back as well,
Yeah.
isn't there? So if you've got any mobility issues and you can't lean forward enough, or you can't bend your knee enough, then
yeah, and it doesn't work. It's that bar and the back thing, just super inaccessible.
But there is a different seat at the back where you've got a lap bar, but like they said, there was a big queue for that because
There was a big queue.
there was lots of people like it, and I think it was only 1 in every 3 cars or something that had the accessible seats.
Yeah, it just wasn't. It's not well thought out. They should have a couple of seats on every car, basically.
But the ride was only like 1 minute 30 long, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then
The graphics of the ride were cool. Like,
yeah, but it had a very similar vibe to like Hyperspace Mountain, where it goes through like little scenes and lights and stuff, and then
it's done.
We don't. I mean, obviously, Hyperspace Mountain goes upside down and stuff. Well, that doesn't. But
The one in Paris, we're talking about Hyperspace Mountain in Paris. But yeah, if you're here and you get a chance to do it, cool. Don't get super excited and think that that's going to be like that's something you should come to do, because I don't think you should book a ticket just for the Magic Kingdom for that. But anywho, we also did meet and greet with the 7 Dwarfs. That was much better. That was really cool. They were cool. Picture, yeah. Let's put the picture in now. How cool was that? Right? They were like really in character. Sleepy kept falling asleep, and
Andrew was doing a bit of this.
the handler was like, "Sleepy, wake up! just not time to sleep yet.
My favourite was Dark.
Yeah, you like that? Yeah. Yeah, that was a really good meet and greet. And then we did a tree trail by the Fantasyland train station, and the Fantasyland train station tree trail was it was a flapjack.
Otherwise known as a naff jack.
Yeah, naff jack, basically. Yeah, boring. Nobody wants that. We just want treats. We want sweets and candy. So we're going to go and see if we can do more treat trails. We're going into our next treat trail, and this is at Ariel's Grotto. This is typically where you would meet the animated Little Mermaid, Ariel. A little bit of a queue to get in. I think this is quite a popular treat trail, actually.
More good behind there. Okay, Carl.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, I got some Starburst as well. So we've got some peanut M&Ms, Starburst, a Milky Way, chocolate M&Ms. Doing okay so far. Just opposite Ariel's Grotto, you've got Ariel and Eric doing a meet and greet, which it's nice to see actually. So just here at Enchanted Tales with Belle, you can meet Belle. It's only Belle as well. There's no Gaston meeting. Let's go over to Storybook Treats and see if we can get any limited treat over there.
It was,
So at the Friar's Nook, we've got Pain and Panic Bratwurst, we've got Pain and Panic Loaded Tots, and we've got the Buffalo Chicken Hand Pie. No mobile order available, so you have to queue up for this. So our next treat trail is going to be at Pinocchio's Village House in Fantasyland. This is like the pizza restaurant here.
Happy Halloween, friends.
Thank you. Got quite a few peanut M&Ms on that one. Just for reference, Peter Pan's flight is posted at a 40-minute wait during the party. It's a longie. Very, very longie. It's 8 o'clock. No, so just here you've got a photo spot with Tinkerbell's lantern and Rapunzel's lantern as well. So we are near the Haunted Mansion at the moment. You've got ghosts over the top of the buildings, and the mansion is lit up all all red and extra spooky for the night. So you've got the mansion all lit up in its spooky vibes, and the carriage as well. Normally there's carriages out during the party, but because it's been quite heavily raining, they haven't got them at the moment.
Of course, there's always Monday.
We've got another treat trail at Columbia Harbour House after we've just been on Haunted Mansion. The treat trails are really quite queuing tonight. I'm just thinking about this.
Hi, thank you. Hey, how you guys doing?
Very well, how are you?
Good, thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Absolutely. Have a great night.
Thank you very much. Oh, that was a nice healthy portion. Nice healthy portion there. Okay, so now we're out of Columbia Harbour House. We're gonna go over to Frontierland. We're gonna see if we can see the Cadaver Dans. Also gonna see if we can see the pirate band over there. I think that's new for 2023. Maybe Country Bears over there? I don't know. So over by the Country Bear Jamboree, you've got the Cadaver Dans. For the rest of my days. Wahoo!
Thank you. Well, thank you very much, everybody. Mighty kind of you. We're going to continue on now with another song. It's actually a country western tune entitled Meet me in the pawn shop, honey. I want to get you alone. Not very much interest.
How about we sing one of my favorite songs instead? It's a small little ditty entitled Don't Run Through the Screen Door, Nellie. You'll only strain yourself.
Quite a long title for a small ditty. Yeah, it really is very tricky. And I think I've got the song for these folks out there tonight. It's an old country tune, and it's called You Can Lead a Horse to Water, but a Pencil Must Be Led.
Classic there, right? You know, I love that song. That's right. Fellas, I love that song, but the last time that we sang it last year, it got a one-word review.
Oh, yeah.
Excelente.
No, not that one. Not that French. No, I like that one, though. But no, it didn't get that word. It got boo.
Oh, that's just rude.
To you, what do you and boo? To you and boo, to you and boo, to you and boo, to you and you.
Hey!
That's quite good seeing the cadaver dance. Everybody's getting lined up here for the parade. We've got one in about 40 minutes or so. Cast member sweeping. We're going to go into Pico's Bill's Tall Tale Inn and Cafe and grab something to eat.
Strawberry lunch.
So for Halloween, we've got the Cajun burger, which is Cajun spiced pork patty, topped with fried green tomatoes, Cajun andouille dip, and grilled remoulade. And then we got a bowl of bones, bone-in piggy wings, fried with fresh jalapeno tossed in Coca-Cola cherry bombs. We also have a candy corn shake as well, which is a sweet corn, soft topped with whipped cream and sweet potato cornbread nugget. Okay, so we've gone for the spicy Cajun burger, and we've gone for the bowl of bones. Came with some nachos as well, and this was $27.98 before tax, $29.80 after tax. It's quite I mean, it's a healthy portion on the bones there. And
How many? 27?
27. It's $27.98.
I think that's quite expensive.
For both. I mean, the burger was $15 with the nachos. So, let's see what it's like. Let you guys know what our thoughts are. I've taken my hat off for the time being because it's somewhat warm with the hat on, the glasses, all of the above. We're going to try the burger now with a black bun as well, actually, which is quite interesting. I'm quite curious about these fried green tomatoes. Right, so let's give this a try. The bun's really dense. Slight spicy kick, but it's not like overly spicy. The fried green tomatoes are quite nice, actually. They're really crispy. The meat in the burger itself is just like generic cheap meat. Well, I'm getting a bit more of a kick in the back of my throat from that Cajun sauce. It's got a lot of the Cajun sauce in there. The fried green tomatoes are what really give it the bite to it and hold like the structural integrity. Because the meat is so soft, the bun is like whatever. I probably wouldn't have it again, but I'm not disappointed in it. So we're also going to try the piggy wings as well. They are cherry barbecue, cherry cola barbecue, I think it was. A lot of meat on there. You got the bone running through it. It's basically like a pork rib. It looks like more than a chicken. That's got a kick to it. Very sweet as well, but with a kick. The meat is quite tough. It's quite chewy. Doesn't fall off the bone like you would expect with ribs that you'd hope had been like slow cooked. They're nice. They taste okay, but they also taste like they've been overdone. At the Golden Oak Outpost, you can get the loaded sweet potato fries, I think it is, and you can get like a gravestone kind of sweet tart, I think. We're going to go through into Adventureland, see if we can get another treat trail, and see if there's pirates out as a band. Oh, we got a treat trail here, just on the entrance to Adventureland. This goes through the queue for Tortuga Tavern, which is basically at the back of Pico's Bills. I think they're kind of connected, actually. But Tortuga is like a bit more of a quick service restaurant. Look at this outside of Pirates of the Caribbean. You got some pirates. Oh, this is cool. You got actual pirates out meeting and greeting.
How's the treasure hunting going?
The treasure hunting's going okay.
Oh, you're barely even trying. That's embarrassing. You should have way more than that by now.
I'm obviously not a very good pirate then, am I?
You just keep walking around in a circle. They'll fill it up for you. Yeah,
keep walking in a circle?
They can't say no. Yeah, you walk out, you just go, just keep walking back. And if they say you've been here before, no, it was my twin. I don't know. Deny it.
This one, the twin, yeah?
Just like, okay. I was allegedly here before, but you cannot prove it. So
I've got you.
In my bag and be quiet and let's move on.
That's how we do it.
Hello there.
Thank you. So you got character greeting here at Pirates of the Caribbean, and that is Jack Sparrow. He's not here currently because the parade is on, so he's had to go and be in the parade. But it's cool, good character meet and greet. We've got a treat trail in the Enchanted Tiki Room, so we're going to go in and grab ourselves some treats. So we're here outside the magic carpets of Aladdin. We're going to be meeting some Agrabah friends here in just a second. We've queued up. I mean, there was no queue basically, so we're like, well, let's jump in it. It'll be 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We're just waiting for them to come back out. So we just met Jasmine and Jeannie in Agrabah, and that was a really good meet and greet. Very, very interactive. We loved every second of that. They were talking about our flying carpet and how we can take our pallet and fly away, basically. Very cool. And then Jeannie was playing with like the tassel that Becky has on her hat. It was good. It was a really good interaction, and we didn't really wait long for it because it had just, like, we were the front of the queue. There was only one group in front of us. Fantastic. We're now heading to the hub because we've got the fireworks show. We've got the Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular later as well, and we've got the parade. So we're going to try and do like all 3 of them at once. You do also have another step and repeat photo opportunity here, and this is 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
Anything else?
So yeah, you got the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea one. Looks really good.
Put in the light for you a little bit, friends.
So it's the Tropical Graveyard, mango mousse and sour tropical gelatine. Oh, I'm not sure I would.
It's super good. I like it a lot.
So we went for the Tropical Graveyard in Adventureland, and this was $6.38 including tax. So you got the mango mousse, as we saw on the sign there. You got like the dirt, you got the gummy worms, and the gravestone. Pretty cool. So we just finished the Tropical Graveyard, and it was quite good actually. Very, very sharp. The gummy worms on there, I didn't have any of those, but yeah, I think they're just typical gummy worms. The chocolate on there was really nice as well, the little chocolate gravestone. And it was good, the consistency and kind of contrast that you had between the soft squishy mousse and then like the, I guess like Oreo pieces on top to make the graveyard.
The story that you are about to be told is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen, get ready, for this is Halloween.
Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. What? Anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here I! Zero! Where is that dog? Tale filled with playful tricks and frightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
So we're now waiting for the Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular.
Sanderson Sisters are back! Back for one more night. All Hallows Eve. The best night of the year. When the circumstances are less than Oh, will you stop that? So will you. Oh, and what's a party without frightful friends? Frightful friends, frightful friends, frightful friends. After all, a party's only as good as those you invite, right? Enough! It's time to call forth our friends. Yes. Back here. Magnificent, Your Excellency. We're so glad you could make it to our party. Oh, Dr. Fortier, say hello to your friends on the other side for us. Doctor! Oh, and yes, it's Boogie, Boogie! The royals have arrived, the Queen and Hades, Lord of the Underworld. He's on fire! Don't give him their old ways. Oh, looking ravishing to one another, and a second sorcerer, Jafar! A sorcerer! Show us the magic tricks! Welcome, Lady Tremaine, and the ever-elegant Captain Hook! Yes, all of our frightful friends and our not-so-scary friends have arrived. I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. My name's Winry. What's gold? I will tell you. Now you'll go.
So we got the Jack and Sally cake pops from one of the popcorn carts in the hub. You've got the Jack one, which is a brownie cake pop with marshmallow in the centre and obviously covered in chocolate and whatnot, and you've got the ice in there, little chocolate medallion. And then you got the Sally one. I was told this was yellow cake and raspberry maybe in the middle. They didn't really have a sign up, so it was very difficult to see. I don't know how much I paid. I think they were like $6 each. But they only had one sign at one register, and they took me to the other register and I couldn't check it out. But they're at the popcorn carts in the Magic Kingdom, in the central hub.
Happy Halloween.
It's really not so scary.
And look, the gang is all here. I've ever been to. Gosh, now that I think about
others go down on bin too.
Over in Fantasyland, you've got some cool graphics, and you've got great meet and greet here. You've got Alice and the Mad Hatter. Special overlay on Mad Hatter's tea party. And then you've also got the Tweedles meet and greet in here, which is a fantastic meet and greet. We've got another trick-or-treat trail just outside Cosmic Rays. So in Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe, you've got the Disney Junior Jam. So you've got Doc McStuffins in here, and you've also got Timon dancing. This is on until midnight, so we've got 10 minutes left of it. And then also in Cosmic Rays, you've got a couple of party exclusive treats. You've got the terrifying twice spiced chicken sandwich, you've got the snarling sub, you've got zombie fingers, and Royal Sticks Elixir. So these are only available during the party. It's in Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. You can also get the glow-in-the-dark Donald candy corn sippler in here as well. So over on the Tomorrowland stage, the Rocketeer Plaza stage. So over here on the Tomorrowland stage, the Rocket Tower Plaza stage, you've got the Zombeat Bash. Join us for the dance party. It's supposed to be 7 till 12. Seems like it's finished a little bit early, which is unfortunate. But you'll normally have like a little bit of dance party here, basically in amongst all of the trellis you see here. That's where the dance party will be. You'll have like a few characters out, just dancing into music with you, which is quite cool. And then yeah, the party finishes at 12 o'clock. The time now is 11:55, so we've been cutting it quite fine for little things like this. We're just getting into one final treat trail at Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Closing out the night with a treat trail. We're a little short on our full bag that we wanted, but I think we've still done pretty good. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow. Thank you very much. Okay, I think we did pretty good. Becky got like, oh, Becky filled the bag at the end there. And then they just brought out.
I think that should be a top tip.
Just go to one right at the end.
Right at the end, yeah.
Right at the end, and they'll just basically fill your bag.
And then you don't have to carry it around all evening.
They don't care. Every person has just come out of that queue like completely stoked that their bag has been filled to the brim. The girl in front actually got like 4 scoops. It's crazy. People mover. We're just trying to make it into Buzz before we finish, but I think it's down. And it's unfortunate. I think we're just getting in, but it's gone down. Final ride, but... This is the same as last year. So as we exit the park, we've got all of the jack-o'-lanterns that are like lighting up on top of the shops down Main Street. Interestingly, in this one you've got Yale Gracie, one of the original designers of the Haunted Mansion. Pretty cool. Cast members are picking out the foam from in the railway tracks down Main Street. Huge line for photo pass in front of the pumpkins right at the end of Main Street. We've obviously got the decorations here as well, which is cool. I think one of the big disappointments of the Magic Kingdom versus Disneyland Paris is not being able to go just like right under the train station to enter the park. You have to go like to the sides instead. This guy's costume is amazing. He looks actually like, he really does just look like Jafar. Alright, so that is the end of our night at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. And what an eventful, what a frightful night it has been. Just the biggest tip I can say about Mickey's Not So Scary is that you cannot do it all in one night. With Fast Pass, with Lightning Lane, with Disability Access, there is absolutely no way you can do everything in one night. You can get all the treats you want, you can meet as many characters as you want, you can do rides, but you can't do everything together. We had a good stint there at the end, I think, between doing the fireworks, the Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular, and the parade together was all quite good. However, or we thought it was, it looks like the Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular was not actually the full show, because as we were coming out of the park, they had a 12 o'clock show in a bit, and that was a little bit more like oomphed up with actual songs from Dr. Facilier, Oogie Boogie, things like that. So we had some good special treats. The parade, the Boo to You parade was fantastic. And we saw some cool characters. We had a great interaction with Jeannie and Jasmine earlier on. We saw the Pirates band in Adventureland. We saw the Cadaver Dans in Frontierland, and they're fantastic, singing Boo to You, and they're telling you jokes and stuff. It's just a really great night, a lot of fun. It was a bit of a downer having the rain ruin the first, 3 hours for us. But, you know, it's Florida. It will rain. It genuinely just will rain every time. And another downer, I would say, just is not being able to get any of those special treats between 4 and 7, because it gives you, a little bit less to be able to do, unfortunately. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and it's given you a good idea as to what Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is like. Next year is probably going to be very similar to this year, so you never know. You can watch this one and you'll probably know what it's like next year as well. If you have enjoyed the video throughout, give us a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. It really does help us out a lot. It'd be great if you could hit the subscribe button and bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. Boo to you. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks.